So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to increase the indent here on at the Notes app. So if I just were to go down right here and just type in indent, if I wanted to actually indent this, you can press before it. If you press tab and tab and tab and tab and tab on your computer, you can go ahead and change the indent this way. So indent, right? Once again, press before, press tab. You can do it this way. Indent, I'll press it twice right here, tab, tab, and you can play around with it this way. But if you don't want to do it this way, it's pretty simple. You can go to the top left to where it says format. You can scroll down to where it says indentation. You can just go ahead and press increase as well, and it'll go ahead and actually increase the indent that way. So if I were to go ahead and do this, format, indentation, increase, you can then move it that way. But the simplest way is just to simply go ahead and press tab, and it'll increase your indent that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to increase the indent on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.